Welcome to AHA Kids. Your journey of aim, hope, and adventure starts now.
Every day can be like a new year. Brother, why do people put up so many lights and people celebrate because they are excited for a fresh start? But there is a much better way for us to begin our year. But Ali, what is the better way to start the new year? Let's go ask Mom and Dad. How can we make our new year truly special and good?
That's a wonderful question, my dear. This is our intention for the new year. Instead of just a party, we write down good intention.
The way to start a new year is by thinking about how we can grow closer to Allah and help others.
When we start with a good intention, our whole year becomes full of blessings.
This is our intention jar for the new year. We write down one good intention on each slip of paper.
It could be anything good, like helping others, learning a new surah, many more.
I want to write my intention right now. Can I, Mom?
Yes, let's all think of something beautiful together.
We value time because it is a precious gift from Allah. So, with each new year, we don't just celebrate, but we set a new intention.
Every new year is a chance to start fresh.
Set good intentions better than last year?
Exactly.
The new year isn't just about changing calendars. It's a chance to improve ourselves.
The best day is we live without
Doing wrong. So every day can be like a new year if we stay good?
Exactly.
Fireworks fade quickly, but a good intention shines forever with Allah.
Happy New Year! Make your intention shine!